Okay, I am repeating again the same PPT. So welcome to all of you in my class. Today we are going to learn bridge course of standard 9 subject maths 1 2 for day 31 and 32. Topic is properties of chord of a circle. Figure is given and a theorem is given. The perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to its chord bisects the chord. This is the theorem. If a perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle means segment OP is perpendicular to AB, OP is drawn from the center to the chord, then it will bisect the chord, means OP divides segment AB into equal parts. This is the theorem. For that we have to draw chord AB of a circle with center O, draw perpendicular OP to chord AB, then measure segment AP and segment PB using divider or scale. After measuring lengths of these two segments AP and BP, then you will find them both are equal in length. So we get the following property, that is the perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to its chord bisects the chord, means OP divides segment AB into equal parts. Let us see an example for this. In a circle with center O and segment AB is a chord of length 9 cm. If segment OC is perpendicular to chord AB, then find length AC. In figure you can see OC is perpendicular to AB. Solution of this is, now the theorem is perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to its chord bisects the chord. Hence perpendicular OC, segment OC is perpendicular to AB. It divides segment AB into equal parts. Therefore point C is the midpoint of segment AB. Therefore length AC is equal to half of length AB. AB is 9 cm, therefore half of 9 is 4.5 cm. Therefore length AC and length BC is also 4.5 cm. Now next theorem is, the segment joining the center of a circle and midpoint of its chord is perpendicular to the chord. In figure you can see O is center of circle, segment OP is perpendicular to segment AB, AB is chord of the circle. We know the theorem. Draw a circle with center O on a paper, then draw chord AB. Find the midpoint of the chord and name it as point P. Join center O and midpoint P. Then we have to measure angle APO and angle BPO with set square or a protractor. By using protractor you can measure these two angles. It is found that measure angle APO and measure angle BPO are both are of 90 degree, means both are right angles. Therefore measure angle APO is equal to measure angle BPO is 90 degree. Thus we can say that the segment joining the center of a circle and midpoint of its chord is perpendicular to the chord. Let us see an example. Radius of a circle with center O is 5 cm and chord AB is at a distance of 3 cm from the center of center. Segment OP is perpendicular to chord AB. Then we have to find out length AB. In figure you can see O is center of circle, AB is chord of the circle and OP is perpendicular to segment AB. Solution is, distance of the chord from the center of the circle is the length of perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord. Now AB is chord of the circle with center O. Now segment OP is perpendicular to AB, means OP divides segment AB into equal parts. AP is equal to BP. Now radius of circle is length OB, that is 5 cm and OP is 3 cm. It is given in question. Now you can see in figure OPB is a right angle triangle. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, angle OPB is right angle. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, we know the theorem, hypotenuse square equal to one side square plus other side square, that is length OP square plus length PB square is equal to length OB square. Now put the values, length BP or PB square is equal to length OB square minus length OP square, that is 5 square minus 3 square. Square of 5 is 25, square of 3 is 9, that is 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. Now taking square roots on both the sides, then we will get length PB is equal to 4 centimeter. The perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. Therefore length AB divides into equal parts, that is AP and BP or PB. Length AB is equal to AP plus PB, but length AP is equal to PB. Therefore length AB is equal to 2 into length PB, it is 2 into 4. Therefore length AB is equal to 8 centimeter. 2 4 is 8. Now homework or exercise for day 31 and 32. First question is, draw a circle with center O and chord LM. Draw a perpendicular from center O to chord LM and label it as OQ. If length of chord LM is 5 cm, then find length LQ. Second question. This figure is for second question. O is center of circle. Find the length of radius if the chord of length 16 cm is at a distance of 9 cm from the center of the circle. You have to find out length of the radius. Chord is given 16 cm and OP is 9 cm. Figure is given. Third question. C is center of the circle whose radius is 10 cm. Now you have to find out the distance of the chord from the center if the length of the chord is 12 cm. Length AB is 12 cm, radius AC is 10 cm. You have to find out length of the chord from the center of the circle. Got it, all of you? Okay. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.